Yo, hey guys, Ken Perryman here, and I'm back with another product. And it's actually a quite useful one, I believe, for those of you that may have, and let me show you it here, hydraulic brakes on your bikes, your mountain bikes, your road bikes, whatever. And in fact, I do actually have a bike that has hydraulic mineral oil in it that uses hydraulics to compress the pads against my disc brakes on my bike. And exactly as you see here, it's the perfect bike tour, as they say. 300 milliliters. Let me go ahead and open this up and show you what's inside. There's not much to demo here other than the fact that this is what you will use when you decide to go and bleed your brakes, or when you decide that you're going to do a brake repair. This is also childproof. No. Oh, so let's go ahead and pop this open. This is all that you'll see that's in the box. It is basically mineral oil. It is very simple. Now what I do really like about the packaging side of the house is it's in a Ziploc-esque bag. It's got one of these fastener bags that help. What I like is help prevent, if this thing happens to leak, it will not hopefully leak throughout the packaging in your car and whatever. You have this, and it also tells you how much is inside the container. And there is 120 milliliters here, actually 120 plus milliliters in here. You will have I'm not going to open this, but you'll have two of these. And I believe, oh yeah, it's well above 120. That's 150, so that's why it says 300 milliliters. So you have two containers. You have 300 milliliters. This is more than enough to get you going. This is probably going to be enough, at least for one brake system, if you had to do a complete brake system teardown, right? Because it's just like the hydraulics. If you understand the hydraulics in a car's braking system, you have a line that runs to all your both your brake calipers in the front and the rear of your bike, and you have a tube that runs from your brake handles that run all the way down to each independent wheel. And at each wheel, there is a set of disc pads, and the hydraulics push and pressure. And the nice thing about the hydraulics is it's more powerful than just standard clamping force. So it grabs and it gives you this great braking force. But the problem is you don't want to have air on the line, and you also want to make sure that you regularly, through a good maintenance cycle, replace your mineral oil. And doing that, this is what you need, a good quality mineral oil. And the reason why we use mineral oil is because it's like most fluids, it's uncompressible. So when you do clamp on those brakes, all that force is transferred through that piston pump into those brakes to give you that great stopping power. So again, perfect for you if you need to replace and or bleed the brakes from any air pockets. Go get you some good mineral oil, use this, and you'll be happy that you did. Hope this was helpful for you. I really do appreciate your time, and I'm out.